Hello everybody and welcome to part 5 of Atomic Scale Tutorials, and we're doing Indian Ocean Islands, I guess. So you want to go to my coordinates, negative 1971, whatever in the middle, 6333, you want to place a block. Then you want to go right by 5, up right by 2, right by 1, up right, up right, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down by 3, down left by 2, left, down left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down by 2, left by 4, up by 2, left by 2, up by 2. So make the colors like this. As so. Like this. And just make an island like this. Then I'm gonna slash teleport to negative 1034, whatever in the middle, 5659, then here I'm gonna place a block at negative 1034, 5659. Go up, left, right, down, right by 2, down, left, up, left. This block go down by 2, down, right, down, right, down, right, up by 1, 2, 3, 4, up, left by 2. Fill these in with those colors, and then skip over down, and down, left by 2, down, right by 2, down, right, down, left, up by 2. That's my name. Then I want to teleport to 1009, whatever in the middle. No, negative 1009, actually. 4772. Place a block. Go up by 2. Up right by 2. Down right, down by 3. Down right, right. Fill this in with whatever water you use, because this is water. That's water. And this is Kiribati, I guess. Go to my coordinates, negative 976, negative 58, 4763. This block, go right, up by 2, left from this block, go up by 2, and go to my coordinates, negative 970, whatever in the middle, 4752. This block, go left, down, up, left, down by 3. Stay shows. Alright. And something up. Now go to my coordinates, negative 969, negative 57, 4652. Let's go down by 3. Down left by 2, up, right, up by 2. Fill that with right. Now for this part, go to my coordinates, negative 949, negative 58, 4600, or whatever in the middle, 4629. Place cock. Go left by 5, up left, up by 2, up left, up by 2, up left, up by 2, left, up by 2, up right, right by 3, down right, down right, left, down left, down middle. From the spot, go right, down right, down right, by 2, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up right by 3, up right by 3, up right, right by 3, down, left by 2, down, left by 3, down, left by 2, down. Fill this part with yellow, this one with red, and these with white. And from this block is black concrete, go up left, or up right by 2, up right by 2, down right left. And this block go up left by 2, left, and from the same block go right by 3, down right by 2, down right, down by 2, down left by 2, left, down left, down left by 3. Like that. And from this block, skip over a block and then place block on the second one. Go up, right by, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, down, down right, left by 2, down right, right by 4, up right, right by 4. This block, go right, or left, down, left, up, right. Fill the flag in like that. Alright, that's not all. You want to go really far this way? Let's see. Where's my fireworks? Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's go to what we haven't done those. Go to my coordinates, negative 1022. Whatever in the middle, 5112. Place block. Like do that. And then go up right. But 2 up, right up. Right up with the first block not being placed. Up right up left, down left. Go to my coordinates right here. Negative 954, whatever in the middle, 5098, place block, skip up 2, place block, upright, skip over 2 without placing a block, go up, place a block, skip down 2 without placing a block, and then on the third one, place a block. I hope that made sense. And then right here, negative 924, whatever in the middle, 5103, place block, go up by 2, down left by 2, same block, go upright. And you got a little K, but that's, you gotta keep going longer as this way. Alright, more career boss islands. We're almost at the main part. Negative 716, whatever in the middle, 5273, place block, go up, right? Negative 700, whatever in the middle, 5272, place block, of block, concrete. Alright, we're almost at the big part of Seychelles. And my coordinate right here, negative 577, whatever in the middle, 5330, place block, go up, skip up a block, and then the second one, place block. For my coordinates, negative 554, whatever in the middle, 5336, place block, go right by 2, or left by 2, up right, up left, go up left by 2 on the second one, place block, with the first one not, and then just do that, like 2 blocks. Alright, from my coordinates right here, negative 511, whatever in the middle, 5331, place block. From my coordinates right here, negative 570, whatever in the middle, 5365, place block. Up left, up right, up right by 2. Now it's time for this part, but I am going to end the recording before it gets too long. Alright, for my coordinates, 178, whatever in the middle, 7,338. Spot, go right by 3. From the second block, go up, left, down, or up, right, down. For that one. For my coordinates right here, 189, whatever in the middle, 7,353. Plus block, go up 2, up, up 2, left, down by 3, down, left, down, fill down with script. From this block right here, 210, whatever in the middle, 7,355. Plus block, go up, right. For my coordinates right here, 220, whatever in the middle, 7,352. Go up, place block, go left, skip over 4, and the fourth one, place block, go down right. How many islands are for my coordinates right here, negative, or 266, whatever in the middle, 7,289, place block, go up, left. For my coordinates, 293, whatever in the middle, 7,299, place block. For my coordinates, 305, whatever in the middle, 7,288, place block, right by 2, up left, right by 2, or like that, and like that, I think. Alright. For my coordinates right here, 347, whatever in the middle, 7,283, place block, go left, up, or right, up. For my coordinates right here, 379, whatever in the middle, 7,273, place block, go left. For my coordinates right here, 392, whatever in the middle, 7,274, place block, go right. For my coordinates right here, 375, whatever in the middle, 7,297. Place go left, up by 4 on the fourth one, place block, go left, skip up 5 on the fifth one, place block, go left. Alright. No, it's this part. This is the capital island, I think. For my coordinates right here, 416, whatever in the middle, 7,350. Place block, go up, left, up, right, up, right, up, two, up, right, up, 3, up, by 2, down by 2, left, down, right, down, left, down by 4, left, up by 2, down by 2. Fill this in with water. For my coordinates right here, 432, whatever in the middle, 7,337. Place block, go down by 2, left, up by 3. Like 3 more islands now, 3 more islands. Alright, now right here, yeah, there's 3 more islands. From my coordinates right here, 662, whatever in the middle, 7,307. Please block, go down, left, up by 2. Like, skip up 2 diagonals, go up. Just do a 3 by 2 square or something. And the final island. From my coordinates right here, 827, whatever in the middle, 7,301. Place block, go right by 2, down, right, up, left, up, right. Alright, so that is the tutorial done. Alright, see you in part 7, which is going to be Singapore. Brunei. Singapore, Brunei, and maybe East Timor. But that is the Maldives done. Goodbye.